Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic trigonometry. In the previous video, we applied the trigonometric ratios and the Pythagoras theorem to solve a question. In this video, we are going to solve another question by applying the trigonometric ratios and the Pythagoras theorem. So let's look at our question for this video. If 41 sine x is equal to 9, where x is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, find 1 plus cos x divided by 2 minus tan x. So the question is saying that 41 sine x is equal to 9 and x is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, which means that x is an acute angle. So x is an acute angle, that is why it's between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. And we know that 41 sine x is equal to 9. Now look at something here. If we divide 41 sine x by 41 and we divide 9 by 41, you see that 41 will cancel 41 here. So we will have sine x is equal to 9 divided by 41. We can say this from this equation. 41 sine x is equal to 9. So sine x is equal to 9 divided by 41. We also know that x is an acute angle, which means that if we draw a right angle triangle like this, we can name one of these acute angles as x. So I'm going to call this acute angle here x. If we have this acute angle, from this equation here, we know that sine x is equal to 9 divided by 41. But we also know that sine is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So this x here, sine of x is equal to opposite, which is 9, divided by hypotenuse, which is 41. So from this diagram, we know that sine x is equal to opposite, which is 9, divided by hypotenuse, which is 41. I've explained how to identify the opposite and the hypotenuse. So here, opposite is 9, hypotenuse is 41. We need to find 1 plus cos x divided by 2 minus tan x. To do that, we first have to find cos x and tan x. Cos x will give us adjacent divided by hypotenuse, but we don't know the length of the adjacent side, so we have to look for that. The same way, tan x will give us opposite divided by adjacent. Once again, we don't know the adjacent side, which is AB, so we have to find AB. We have AC and BC. We need to find AB. This is a right-angled triangle. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. From the Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So if we apply the Pythagoras theorem on this right-angled triangle, we will have AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. AC is 41, so 41 squared is equal to AB squared plus BC is 9, so 9 squared. This will give us 1681 minus 81, which is equal to AB squared. We have 1600 is equal to AB squared. So we take square root of both sides and AB is equal to 40. So we have AB to be 40. So in this right angle triangle, we have our acute angle here, x. AC, which is the hypotenuse, is 41. BC, which is opposite to x, is 9. And AB, which is adjacent to x, is 40. So we can find cos x and tan x. From this diagram, we can say that cos x is adjacent, which is 40, divided by hypotenuse, which is 41. So cos x is equal to adjacent 40 divided by hypotenuse 41. Tan x is opposite 9 divided by adjacent, which is 40. So we have tan x is equal to 9 divided by 40. We now have cos x and we have tan x. So we can go ahead and find 1 plus cos x and divide it by 2 minus tan x. So you see that 1 plus cos x divided by 2 minus tan x is equal to 1 plus cos x is 40 divided by 41. So 1 plus 40 divided by 41 divided by 2 minus tan x is 9 divided by 40. So 9 divided by 40. So here we need to find the numerator, then we find the denominator. So the numerator is 1 plus 40 divided by 41. So 1 plus 40 divided by 41. And this will give us 81 divided by 41. So the numerator is 81 divided by 41. Let's find the denominator. The denominator is 2 minus 9 divided by 40. So 9 divided by 40. And this will give us 71 divided by 40. So the numerator is 81 divided by 41. So 81 divided by 41. Then the denominator is 71 divided by 40. So we have 81 divided by 41 as the numerator divided by the denominator, which is 71 divided by 40. If we do this on our calculator, we are going to have 81 divided by 41, then divided by 71 divided by 40, which is the denominator. And this will give us 3240 divided by 2911. So we are going to have 3240 divided by 2911. So we can say that 1 plus cos x divided by 2 minus tan x is equal to 3240 divided by 2911. So you see that applying the Pythagoras theorem and the trigonometric ratios, we have been able to solve this question. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. In the next video, we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem and the trigonometric ratios to solve another question. Bye-bye.